Introducing the QS273 Electric Bike Wheel Hub Motor Kit. Unleash the power of electric propulsion on your bicycle and embark on thrilling adventures like never before. With a staggering power range from 8,000 watts all the way up to 15,000 watts, this motor kit is engineered to deliver unparalleled performance, whether you're cruising through city streets or conquering rugged terrains. Equipped with a high-quality QS273 motor wheel, you can trust in its reliability and durability for years to come. Plus, with free global delivery, it's easier than ever to get your hands on this revolutionary technology. Customize your ride with options like 19, 21, or 26-inch wheel sizes and choose from a sleek black design or add a pop of color with red rims. The choice is yours. But wait, there's more. Consult our merchants for exclusive discounts and surprises, making it even more irresistible to upgrade your biking experience. Like, share, and comment on this video to spread the word about the QS273 Electric Bike Wheel Hub Motor Kit. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates and product releases. Ready to revolutionize your biking adventure? Click the link in the description to purchase your QS273 Electric Bike Wheel Hub Motor Kit today.